Imagine yourself 6 months from now, speaking a new language so naturally that people think you've lived abroad your whole life. No awkward pauses, no endless grammar drills, no boring textbooks, just flowing, confident speech. Sounds impossible? It's not. And today, I'm going to share with you a simple, powerful routine called daily routine shadowing that can help beginners learn useful phrases, speak naturally, and yes, become fluent in just 6 months. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could completely change the way you learn languages forever. Welcome. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or even embarrassed while trying to learn a new language, you are not alone. Millions of learners give up because they think fluency takes years of hard study. But here's the truth. If you focus on the right methods, practice consistently, and make learning part of your daily routine, fluency in 6 months is absolutely possible. Today, I'll guide you step by step through a proven system. We'll talk about shadowing, how to use it daily, which useful phrases you need most, and how to train your brain to sound natural without feeling overwhelmed. Before we dive into techniques, let's talk about mindset. Becoming fluent in 6 months is not magic, it's commitment. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't need to lift weights all day, you just need consistent, focused training. Language works the same way. Every day, give yourself 20 to 30 minutes of real speaking practice. That's it. Not reading, not memorizing lists, but actually speaking, even if it's to yourself. Shadowing makes this possible. So what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is a method where you listen to native speakers and repeat immediately, copying their rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. Imagine watching a TV show and speaking along with the actors, almost like singing karaoke, but with normal speech. This technique is powerful because it trains your brain and mouth to work together. Instead of thinking about grammar rules, you simply imitate natural patterns. Over time, this builds automatic fluency. And the best part? Beginners can start shadowing on day 1. You don't need to understand every word. The goal is to feel the sound, the flow, and the structure of the language. Now let's build your daily routine. Here's a simple structure you can follow for the next 6 months. Morning, 10 minutes. Choose one short audio clip, maybe a podcast, a news snippet, or even a dialogue from a language app. Listen once, without speaking, just to get the feel. Then play it again and shadow every single word. Don't worry if you miss a few. Keep going. Afternoon, 10 minutes. Pick useful phrases that you know you'll need in real life. For example, how are you? Where is the station? I'd like some coffee. Shadow these phrases while imagining yourself in those situations. Evening, 10 minutes. Watch a short video, maybe a YouTube vlog or a TV clip. Shadow the speaker, copying their natural intonation. Record yourself and compare. You'll be surprised at how quickly your speech starts sounding authentic. This entire routine takes only 30 minutes a day, but consistency is the key. 6 months of this equals fluency. Here's a secret. You don't need thousands of words to sound fluent. You only need the most common useful phrases. Did you know that in daily conversation, we reuse the same 1,000 words again and again? That's why shadowing these useful phrases is the fastest path to fluency. Start with greetings, introductions, ordering food, asking directions, and expressing your needs. Then expand into small talk, opinions, and everyday reactions. By focusing on these phrases, you'll gain instant confidence in real conversations. Now you might be thinking, this sounds good, but how do I actually use shadowing in my daily life? Let me show you. Imagine you're walking to work, cooking dinner, or even sitting on the bus. Put on your headphones, play a short clip in your target language, and start shadowing under your breath. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. At first, it feels a little strange, but after a few weeks, it becomes second nature. You'll find yourself repeating phrases automatically, even when you're not studying. That's when you know your brain is rewiring for fluency. Of course, there will be challenges. Some people say, I don't understand every word, so how can I shadow? The answer is simple. You don't need to understand everything. Shadowing is about rhythm and sound. Understanding will come later. Another challenge is fear of sounding silly. But here's the truth. No one's listening. And if they were, they'd admire your courage. Remember, every native speaker once sounded like a beginner too. Finally, some people give up because they expect instant results. Don't. This is a 6-month journey. Some days you'll feel amazing, other days you'll feel stuck. That's normal. Stick with it. Why does shadowing work so well? Neuroscience gives us the answer. When you hear and immediately repeat a phrase, you activate multiple areas of the brain: listening, speaking, memory, and motor skills all at once. This combination creates strong neural connections. It's like training muscle memory. Just as a pianist practices scales until their fingers move automatically, shadowing helps your tongue and mouth move automatically in a new language. That's why it feels natural so quickly. To stay motivated, you need proof that you're improving. Here's what I suggest. Record yourself once a week. Pick the same short dialogue and shadow it. After a month, compare your recordings. You'll hear huge progress. Keep a phrase journal. Write down every useful phrase you shadow and mark the ones you now use comfortably. Have a monthly mini conversation, even if it's just 5 minutes, with a language partner or an app. Test your skills. You'll be shocked at how much you can say. The secret to success is not intensity, but consistency. It's better to shadow 10 minutes every single day than 1 hour once a week. To build this habit, link shadowing to something you already do. While brushing your teeth, during your morning walk, right before bed instead of scrolling on your phone. Soon, shadowing becomes as automatic as drinking coffee in the morning. I've seen learners go from 0 to fluent in half a year using this method. One student, Maria, started with just 15 minutes a day. At first, she only repeated simple greetings, but after 6 months, she was holding long conversations with locals during her trip abroad. Another student, James, hated grammar, but loved movies. He shadowed his favorite TV show every evening. After 6 months, he didn't just understand the characters, he sounded like them. These stories prove one thing. If you commit, this works. Let's be honest, repetition can get boring. The trick is to make it fun. Shadow things you actually enjoy. Music, podcasts, dramas, or even comedy shows. If you love what you're listening to, you'll keep going. And here's a tip. Rotate your materials every 2 weeks. New voices, new accents, new topics. This keeps your brain alert and excited. The greatest gift of shadowing is natural speech. When you shadow daily, you don't just learn words, you absorb rhythm, melody, and cultural patterns. You'll know when to pause, when to raise your tone, when to smile. That's what makes you sound fluent. Not perfect grammar, but natural connection. So, how do we put it all together? Here's a simple roadmap for your 6-month journey. Month 1, focus on greetings, introductions, and survival phrases. Shadow short clips daily. Month 2, add useful daily routines. Ordering food, shopping, travel phrases. Month 3, expand into small talk, opinions, and expressing feelings. Month 4, shadow full conversations. Record yourself and compare weekly. Month 5, practice storytelling. Shadow short stories or vlogs, then retell them in your own words. Month 6, dive into real conversations. Shadow, then practice live with partners. By now, fluency feels natural. So here's the big question. Are you ready to become fluent in 6 months? You already know the method. You already know the routine. All that's left is for you to take action. Today, not tomorrow. Remember, 30 minutes a day. Shadow daily. Learn useful phrases. Speak naturally. That's your formula. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who wants to learn a new language fast. Together, we can build a world full of confident, natural speakers.